Hello traders, and welcome to our London Session Daily Market Review for Wednesday, March 9th. Starting it off with U.S. markets, all three main U.S. stock indexes closed lower yesterday as crude oil prices led energy shares lower, and underperforming trade data from China reignited fears of a global recession. The U.S. dollar has been gaining since yesterday on market expectation that the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates in upcoming sessions. Canadian dollar futures are following crude oil lower. Moving on to Asian markets, major stock indexes in China and Japan moved largely lower today following overnight Wall Street movements and uncertainty over European central bank meetings. After recent gains, Japanese yen futures are holding still against a stronger greenback. Australian dollar futures are declining after a worse-than-expected home loan sprint, and New Zealand dollar futures are lower ahead of today's interest rate decision by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. And in European markets, major European shares in the euro depreciated yesterday as markets expect the ECB to increase quantitative easing measures and lower interest rates. Euro futures are weakening again today, while British pound futures are edging lower ahead of today's release of important manufacturing data. In commodities highlights, crude oil prices are mixed and trading within range as production uncertainty is raised by Goldman Sachs. A strong U.S. dollar and market worries are sending gold prices lower today. And here are today's important economic events. At 9:30 a.m. GMT, the UK manufacturing production reading will be released. This data measures the change in the total value of output produced by manufacturers and makes up 80% of total industrial production. Economists expect this reading to come in at 0.2%. At 3 p.m., the Bank of Canada will release its interest rate decision, which is expected to hold at 0.50%, which will be followed by a BOC statement. At 3:30 p.m., a U.S. crude oil inventories report is expected, which is a change in the number of barrels of crude oil held in storage during the previous week. Experts expect to see an increase of 3 million barrels. At 8 p.m., the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will release its interest rate decision, which is expected to hold at 2.5%. This will be followed by an RBNZ press conference at 8:05 p.m., and Bank Governor Graham Wheeler will speak at 11:10 p.m. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.